Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Check 1 2.
Check 1
May
2.
old acquaintance be forgot, and la da dum bum bum. Nobody knows the words to this song. It is the New Year's Eve song. What is it even called?
I think it's called something like Old Anxiety.
Old anxiety? Old anxiety is what they should call it. We'll take a cup of kindness yet. It's one of those songs that everyone thinks, oh, I'm going to figure out what that song is later. And you just kind of mumble through and you don't even realize what you're singing. Like every Sting song.
Yeah, no kidding.
Upon the fields of barley, in a jealous sky, as we walk in fields of gold. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I just want to, what do you think, sweetie? Should we wish him a Happy New Year?
Yeah, Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. Minobii, Oshki, Biboon. Happy New Year. And, the new year, it's been quite a year, hasn't it? We're coming up 2020. They say 2020 is hindsight is 2020.
Yeah, huh?
You can always know what you got perfect vision when you're looking back. Mm-hmm. Hindsight is 2020. But anyway, so yeah, it's a new year, and so our Ojibwe word of the day. Let's make it a Gitchimanadu Gizis.
Oh.
January. Gitchimanadu Gizis is the Ojibwe word for January. It means Great Spirit Moon. It is the moon of the Great Spirit. Gitchimanadu Gizis on this New Year's Eve. All right. Well, hey, I don't know what time you're watching this podcast, but let's pretend it's 10 seconds before midnight. And I want to say miigwech to everyone who's been watching the show all year. Miigwech ganawabieg. BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. And all right, let's do this. Oh, honey, what time is it?
It's about 10 seconds to midnight.
Okay, well, let's start the countdown then. All right. Medaswe, Jangaswe, Nishwaswe, Nijwaswe, Ningodwaswe, Nanan, Niwin, Niswe, Nij, Bejig. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year,
Minobii,
everybody!
Oshki, Biboon! Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. We two slopes hand-picked, the daisies fine, but we've wandered many a weary foot since old Lang Syne. For old Lang Syne, my dear, for old Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old Lang Syne, for old Lang Syne, my dear, for old Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old Lang Syne. And you have been watching
BOOZHOO!
Not a
Not a BOOZHOO!
a podcast
About Ojibwe language.
culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
Wishing you a happy new year. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minobii.